It's raining in Manila, hindi ka ba? I don't know the next line. It's raining in Manila, kaya masarap magkape. It's raining in Manila, so anong pwede kong gawin? Well, ayusin ang bahay. Hello everyone! So when it comes to minimizing or simplifying, I know a lot of people struggle with clothes, shoes, or bags, but for me, I'm a home decor lover. So even if the items in my stash cost far less than designer bags or even regular bags, for me, streamlining them is still a struggle. So my upcoming video is about letting go of excess decor. No drama, just heart-led decluttering. Sarap. Pero medyo matabang. Pwede ko pang ayusin ng timpla. But before we dive into that, I'd love to share a few videos I originally published on my first channel, Coffee, Tea, or Poetry. It still is a live channel, so you can go check it out. I'll link it below. Back then, I shared home content alongside poetry, my original poetry, reflections, visits to quaint restaurants, and other musings. But now I've carved out Now I've carved out a dedicated space just for home, this channel which I call Handling Home. So I'm bringing these videos over here, each one featuring 12 lovely home things. Uy, masarap na. I see home things and some catch my eye. A few I buy, but most I simply admire. I appreciate them, take videos, and compile them. Once they reach a dozen, I put them together in one vlog to share. Letting go doesn't have to be loud. Before I begin my no-drama decluttering journey, I wanted to revisit some home finds that once caught my heart but I didn't bring home. Whether it was from a shelf in a store, a favorite Ikea piece at my sister's house, or something I saw abroad, these items reflect my care for home, even as I learn to simplify. It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? It's a gentle decluttering start. Video 1. 12 lovely home things that caught my eye. I love going to home section where my eyes feast on lovely things. These were my 12 top picks at that time. They almost made it to my cart. I almost brought them home. But I didn't. The author of House Rules, Michelin Smith, said, "Admire, don't acquire." So I'm sharing another 12 lovely home things that caught my eye and didn't make it to my cart again. Thankfully, I was able to practice restraint and was able to follow that house rule. That's video 2, 12 lovely home things that almost made it to my cart. Let's go to video 3, 12 lovely home things that I saw in Singapore. From my side trips to home stores in Singapore, here are a dozen items I completely fell in love with. They didn't make it to my baggage. No, not to Manila and my home, but I truly admire them. Coming to the fourth video, 12 lovely Ikea home things in my ate's house. My sister Jenny and I both love Ikea. In this video, I featured my favorite Ikea items in her home. And since I made this video exactly a year ago, she has added a lot more Ikea pieces to her home, which signals that I should feature them soon in another round of 12 lovely home things. If you've been with me since Coffee, Tea, or Poetry, hello again, and thank you for journeying with me. This second channel, Handling Home, is where I pour all my heart for home. I'm so happy to have you here. For now, please enjoy this video compilation. Sometimes, I reach home and could not stop thinking about an ornament or a decoration I saw at the store. And I say, I wish I brought you home. Just like last Christmas, I saw a lot of things that almost made it to my cart. And after that season, I still encounter a lot of infatuation with certain home items that catch my eye. Sometimes I don't have the budget. Sometimes I don't have the space where I can put them at my home. As for sure, as I happily walk down home stores, there will still be a lot of things I will adore. When I practice restraint, or as what Michael Smith, the author of House Rules, said, admire, don't acquire. So here is my latest 12 lovely home things that have caught my eye. They almost made it to my cart. I cannot promise that I will never come back to get them. But for now, let me just admire and have the restraint to acquire. Number 1, this charming teapot. Number 2, this adorable blue cup and saucer duo. Number 3, I love this stoneware set. Look at the handle. Number 4, this frosted soy dish. Number 5, the mocha huga plates. Like I can still breathe. Number 6, this dainty plate set. A lot similar to my blue plates I just bought last December. Number 7, I realized I have a penchant for polka dots. and for cute handles. My sisters and I saw these pillow covers. All are nice and fresh. But this one is what we like most. My sister got one. Number 8, embroidered pillow cover. For number 9, frosted candle holder. What a unique tray shape. This is my number 10. I also love the mustard color. Okay, a penchant also for embroidered pillows. That's my number 11. And lastly, for number 12, scented candle in frosted green holder. I can keep on looking, hunting, admiring, well, sometimes also acquiring, as these are all, for me, lovely home things. From my 2 videos of lovely home things, you'll see my love for embroidered pillow covers, my love for polka dots and cute handles, cute handle in minimalist style, minimalist dinnerware, cute handle, this teapot, blue and homey and rustic, blue, cute handle, rustic, cute handle, green and frosted, frosted and fluted, frosted, green and frosted. Oh, I have a lot of penchants. Sa bahay ni na ate, one lazy Sunday. Sarap ng hangin, no? And I noticed, ang ganda talaga nitong bagong curtain ni ate. She told me it is from Ikea. Diba? Very airy, very homey, very light. Look at the texture. Tingnan niyo yung tela at yung color, ang ganda. Just enough privacy and then you can still see the outside. So my ate and I both love Ikea. Looking around their home, napakadaming Ikea items. Isa-isahin natin yung favorite ko. This lamp, ang ganda. I like the color and style. And this one, very functional. This container, pwedeng lalagyan ng makeup, ng mga abubot. But this time, my ate put it in their foyer para lalagyan ng mga susi, and other important things we need when we go out. I have already spotted this candlestick set sa store, and I also like it. These small plants are also from Ikea, including this one. I also like this lantern. This display shelf. This cutting board uses a razor. This watering container. This serving tray. These curtains. This pegboard. Oh, how we love IKEA! These are the 12 love and home things from IKEA in my ate's house. It's raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? It's raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Yung ba lyrics? This is handling home my way.